So yes guys, welcome back. Now, you've heard me say it before, and you're going to hear me say it again. I wasn't going to film today, but not really got many ideas left on the driveway, and I thought the LED, the best £10 mod you can do to your car video, done quite well, and a lot of you guys did buy the footwell LEDs after seeing that video. So I thought, I've found something else on Amazon, found a couple things actually on Amazon. And like I said, I was just going to throw them on the car and not even touch my camera today. But I thought, you know what, if I can help one person and one person decides to get these and put them on their car and like them, then I've done my job. So, we've got a horrible, horrible, gloomy day. It's not nice at all. But we've ordered a couple of things, so let me show you what they are. And thanks to the UK weather, the car's absolutely filthy. Lovely. So, we've ordered a couple of things. Now the first thing is for any people that have a car with aux and not Bluetooth. Now I use these in my Corsa, both my Corsa SRI and my Corsa VXR, and it worked perfectly. So I don't know where I put it, to be honest. It's probably in there somewhere, but I've ordered another one and I'll show you what this is once we get onto it. But the other thing we've ordered is these. Now, someone actually, I'm sorry if I can't find your Instagram, but someone, you know who you are, comment below, and I'll like pin your comment. But someone showed me these on Instagram, send me a picture of them. Thank you very much to you, because these are pretty cool. So what they actually are is indicators for the, like, indicator things for the side of your car. But these ones, as you can see, now these ones are actually blacked out. These ones are tinted. So yeah, we're going to get them on. Now I was really, well, not as much worried, yeah, in a way worried, because I saw this little hole here and it looked like a screw hole, and I thought there's no way Mazda designed it, so you had to take your wheel off, take the arch off, take the wheel arch liner off, and then unplug it. But no, you can actually push these and they pull out because they're on this like kind of spring clip here. So we're going to give that a go, probably screw it up. I know I honestly do feel like I'm mugging you off by making a video on side indicators, but I've got nothing else to do during this lockdown thing. Today's Sunday, so we are going to find out what's happening with it all through the government, etc. So fingers crossed they are a bit more lenient with it, but I'm just trying to pull out some videos. So I'm going to put the camera on the tripod, we're going to put these on the car and see what they look like. We'll do a little before and after, obviously do one at a time, and then we'll get in and I'll show you and explain what we've got for the inside of your car. So yeah, let's do some bits. Right, so apparently with a swift little, yeah, persuasion, they come out. That was simple. So we'll unplug that. Obviously there's your original one. We'll quickly compare them to the new ones. As you can see, a lot darker, a lot more stealthy. So let's throw them in. Now I'm not really sure how these work, so I'm assuming this plugs into here. So yeah, they plug into them and then you kind of like tuck the rubber in there. Then I'm going to have a wild guess that that plugs into there. Now I'm just going to test these before I push them in, just to double check that they work. Are they working, boys? Are they working? Oh, the proper LEDs, sick. Right, we're all good. Right, so they're all good to go. So yeah, put them back in. Right, so there we go. A little bit tacky, but yeah, they work, don't they? They look pretty cool. So I'm going to just put my hazards on. I think that's in properly. Yeah, we're all good. So let me just put my hazards on and we'll compare what they look like to the originals. So as you can see, these ones are like a nice LED bar, should we say, whereas the other ones are just like a normal bulb. So yeah, let me get this one out, do the other one, and we'll jump on the inside. So for all those OG subscribers, the ones that go way back to my my Corsa days, you'll know that I'm a big fan of the little things that make the biggest difference. And they look, is that Mazda 6 MPS just gone past? They're sick, guy. They look pretty sick, I'm not going to lie. So we've got the back lights tinted, we've got the side lights tinted, we need to get the front lights tinted now, and we'll all be matching. But I like them, they're cool, they're actually, yeah, I'm happy with them. I'm not going to lie, best £17 I think I've spent on the car so far. Love it. Alright, so this next thing, to the people that don't know about one of these, is going to be an absolute lifesaver. It's going to be an absolute game changer for your interior, and I guarantee if you haven't got one of these after seeing this, you're going to get one. Now, this is no paid promotion. I quite literally bought this on Amazon a couple of days ago, and it's arrived today, and I absolutely swear by these. So like I said, I'm not being paid to say this. I'll put a link in the description if you do want to get it. Let me show you what it is. So I'm going to set the scene for you. For those people, especially with one of these, the amount of times these get lost, these little adapters, you know what I'm on about if you've got an iPhone. So you've got all this massive big long cable that goes to your aux input down here. You no longer need this big long shitty cable anymore. That yeet, can go down there, and all you need is this little bad boy. So let me just quickly open it. I'll show you how to set it all up, and it's going to save you so many wires, because if you did watch the LED video, your boy doesn't see any wires around. So yeah, we're going to get rid of even more. So let's do it. So this is what it is. Now it comes with an actual aux cable, but I'm not going to bother using that because where my aux is out the way. But say your aux cable was here, for example, and you wanted to have a cable going all the way back to here to plug into your box, then you can do that because it comes with an aux cable. But all I'm going to need is the charger for it. So this is what gives it power. The actual little device, this is a Bluetooth. I don't even think I've explained what this is. So what this actually does is, instead of using an aux cable to connect to your phone to play music, etc., this is actually like a Bluetooth receiver. So this plugs into your aux cable, and this works as a receiver. So your phone connects to this, which connects into your aux cable port, aux port, and then you can play your music Bluetooth through Bluetooth. So in theory, how I explain it is, that's my aux port down there. I plug this into it and then on Bluetooth. I just think of this as, if the car came with it, it'd just be inside the port already, if that makes it. No, because that'd make it Bluetooth anyway, wouldn't it? It's a fucking Bluetooth adapter, alright? And they're sick, so we're going to install it now. And all you need is just this little port here. So you plug this into there, then you plug that into your aux port down there. As you can see, we're in good as gold. And then we're going to plug the USB in. Now luckily Mazda have put a USB adapter thing in here, so I can literally have no wires exposed. So let me just unravel this, and we'll plug this bad boy in there, plug this into the actual device, which I need to get it out for to find it. Plug that into the device, so that's what it should look like. Then you slam that in your aux port, and you're good to go. Now let me just get the key. Where have I put? What the fuck have I done with the keys? So allegedly we should now be Bluetooth. So this does come with instructions, but we're geezers, so we don't need them. Let me get my phone out. So there's a button on the top. I don't know if you can see that down there. You just press and hold that. It makes that noise through your speakers, and then you just want to look on your, oh, shout out the generator. You just want to look on your iPhone Bluetooth discoverable screen and wait for it to come up. I think it's called Steambot Mini or something like that. I'm not too sure. Let me just turn my Bluetooth on and off and see if it can find it. There we go, Steambot Mini at the bottom there. So we click that, and as you can see, we are connected. So that should mean we can play some, see, Bluetooth, but wow, that was a second off being a copyright claim. But yeah, and then the car's Bluetooth, so you can shut all this up. You don't have to have, oh shit, you don't have to have any wires connected. I'll tell you what we'll do, we'll play one of my own videos, shall we? And there we go, boys. Completely Bluetooth. So yeah, just a really quick one before I carry on. Begging for subscribers on your video, you tip. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Now all your instructions and manuals and stuff, you can grab them, fucking yeet down there. You do not need them anymore. And yeah, obviously for this to work, you have to be on the aux setting for your like radio or whatever you want to call it. So as you can see, I'm on the aux setting, and you've pretty much got Bluetooth at that, so you don't need to go out and buy the latest Mercedes or anything like that, because this has got Bluetooth, this has got in-car lighting, and we've probably paid about 30 quid for it, not 30,000, so who's the dickhead? Yeah, I'm gonna end this one here. I'm just trying to make some videos, boys, and there's not much we can do, especially on a day like this where it's absolutely peeing it down, and especially when we're in lockdown. So I'm gonna cut this one here. I hope this does help. Like I said, everything I've bought and used in this video, I'll just chuck a link in the description if you do want to buy it for yourself. Just a couple of quirky bits that, well, the aux thing is going to really help, because the main reason of doing this one, for me, the actual cable didn't bother me, but it was the fact that when I'm doing like a long trip, I can't actually charge my iPhone while I've got my music on. So obviously now I can do that. I can plug my phone into the charger and still have my music playing through the car. So yeah, definitely recommend getting one of them. Like I said, if you didn't already have one, I guarantee you'll be wanting one now. So yeah, I'm going to cut this one here. If you did enjoy, if you did find these interesting, please remember to like, share and subscribe. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.